Caples Creek. This is Silver Lake Road. So go up Highway 50 from the Sacramento area, and right at the end of Kybers, there is a road on the right-hand side, and it's Silver Lake Road. And then you drive in about 9 miles, and this is where you will. Alright, we're at Caples Creek, and here's the map. We're gonna hike apparently about
2.2 miles to the meadow. Was it Jake Schneider Meadow?
the first part of the trail. You can see there's a lot of greenery, but there's also a lot of burned out things. It's all right, still fresh air. You can hear the river. Good stuff. So that first river treat that we got was only 0.4 of a mile in. Now we're hiking uphill where I always slow down a little bit. So good stuff. You can see it's a little bit rocky. That's okay. Bring your hiking sticks. Maybe wear some boots. So that's where you can get a flavor of the burned out trees from the Caldor fire. Just so much damage up in the Sierra Nevada here. Okay, getting to a lookout point up here. Okay, this is the confluence where you see the left-hand side is Caples Creek, where that's pouring in. The right hand side, I don't know what that's called, but it's merging. Let's get this tremendous view. Selfie with the DJI. Woo! Hi everyone. Here's the other angle. is burned out, more of a meadow. Great. Beautiful. And they stick out because it's the only red thing in the forest. You can kind of see it. Greetings. So we're on the trail, mid-hike. I have to say the mosquitoes here are insane. And if you can see behind me, there's this big rock wall, but right below it is a big mosquito pond, I would call it, where they're just loving it, and then they come out and eat us alive. So I'm wearing my wind shirt, long sleeves, but my legs are feeding ground for the mosquitoes, so I'll have to take care of that and put on my legs on my convertible pants. Well, this is one of the benefits of this trail. Is a lot of times you're walking by the river, which is just tremendous. We're going to stop at this point for a while, take a seat, and just enjoy. Jen in her new chair. Thanks, Grandpa. Alright guys, we're here at Caples Creek, and it's not much of a creek right now. Anyways, it's been a great hike so far, and yeah, we're probably went 3 miles in and turned around, and now we're just relaxing and enjoying this amazing sight of a river. Just the snow runoff and everything else, so good stuff. Honey stick. The energy chew of choice.